Hello guys and welcome back. This part of our slang course, which we hope you're enjoying thoroughly, is just called swear words, but not just swear words. It's called
cute swear words, which you can use them in a cute way.
Exactly. So they're not really called swear words, cute ones, yeah. Exactly. So first of all, we'll take words that end with a very common one, which is egg.
Dan.
We can start with that actually, yeah. Dan just means egg, but it's also something cute to call an idiot.
Yeah, someone a fool.
So first of all, we can just call someone ben, and that just means stupid, no?
Yeah, stupid or silly.
Like 你很笨.
Yeah.
你很笨, but that's cute actually. There's other terms to just say like you're intellectually disabled.
Not very bright.
Yeah, not very bright. There's other terms for that. Therefore, if you just say ben, it's quite cute. Mm-hmm. But that's barely even slang anymore. We have ben dan now. That's quite interesting.
Ben dan is like a noun to describe a person who is like a fool, idiot, but in a kind of cute way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's quite funny here because ben is an adjective. And do you remember, if you've taken our course, you've learned that we have 字 in Chinese, which very often makes adjectives into nouns. For instance, if you say 小, it's little. If you say 胖, it's fat. And if you say 字 at the end, it just means a fatso or a small person, a little teenager or something. Now, if you want to make that into a more slang term, you can put a dan instead of the 字. So instead of ben, which is an adjective, you can say 你很笨 or 你是一个
笨蛋.
Wonderful. So take the dan instead and make things into nouns. Okay? And we'll continue with that. We have 坏, like 你很坏. And that means you're broken, but no, it more means
bad.
Bad. Like evil, bad. You're bad, bad, bad. So then we can say 你很坏, but you can also say 你是一个
坏蛋.
坏蛋. And that's cute, no?
Yeah, sometimes. Depends on how you use it, but it could be cute.
When was the last time you used the word 坏蛋?
Maybe to my ex-boyfriend. 你是一个坏蛋.
你是一个坏蛋. And lastly, guys, with the dan, we have this term, which is
王八蛋. That will probably be a bigger bad person.
Badder person.
A bigger
yeah.
bad person.
It's still quite cute, though.
Could be, sometimes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it's still quite cute. What would it literally be? King ate egg. King ate eggs. Do you have any idea why?
No idea.
Me neither. Let's just ignore it.
Yeah.
And not trying to explain that. 王八蛋 is quite funny, actually.
Yeah. My auntie calls her son 王八蛋sometimes. 小王八蛋.
小王八蛋. That's good.